Hello, welcome back. We are solving the medical chemistry, dental chemistry, and general biochemistry problems. And here is the dealing with the mass fraction calculation. The number 11th question is saline solution is 0.9% aqueous sodium chloride solution. Calculate the mass of sodium chloride and water required to make 250 grams of a solution. What is the concentration of this solution in millimoles per liter? Consider that the solution density rho is equal to 1 gram per milliliter. We can assume that 1 milliliter of the solution is equal to 1 gram. Then from this question itself, it is clear that 0.9% means 0.9 divided by 100. Out of 100, 0.9 gram. And that will be equal to mass of sodium chloride out of our 250 grams of the solution. Therefore, 0.9 divided by 100 is equal to mass of sodium chloride divided by 250. Cross multiplication, we will get the mass of sodium chloride is equal to 0.9. This is 0.9 and 250 will go here. 0.9 times 250 divided by 100 is equal to 2.25 grams of sodium chloride. Therefore, we got the mass of the solute in the 250 grams of the solution. Then what should be done? See, from this 2.25 grams of sodium chloride solution we have, and next procedure is very simple. Mass of sodium chloride obtained 2.25 grams of sodium chloride. Therefore, we will get a mass of the solution. What is the mass of the solution? Actually, it is the mass of the solvent water plus mass of the solute sodium hydroxide. We got the solute sodium hydroxide as 2.5 and we have the mass of the solution as 250. Therefore, from this we can obtain, from this equation we can obtain mass of solvent water. On left side, when it goes, it will come to the right side, so that mass of solution minus mass of solute will be equal to mass of solvent, and that is 250 gram minus 2.25 gram is equal to 247.75 gram. Now, next part of the question is a molar mass of sodium chloride. We want to calculate mass. Molar mass is equal to atomic mass of sodium plus atomic mass of chlorine is equal to 58.5. The number of moles of sodium hydroxide in the solution can be calculated from the equation number of moles. N is equal to mass of the solute divided by molar mass. That is equal to 2.25 grams of sodium hydroxide divided by 58.5 gram per mole. That will be equal to 2.25 divided by 58.5 mole per 250 grams. That can be calculated as a mole per 250 gram. Then you can convert it into millimoles by multiplying with 1000 here. On multiplication with the 1000, we will get this value. 1 millimoles per liter can be obtained by multiplication with 1000. So on multiplication with 1000, we will get 58.5 this value, and that is in 250 grams. So we can convert this is its value is equal to 38.461 millimoles per liter in 250 grams. But here in the question itself, it is given that 1 milliliter is approximately equal to 1 gram. Therefore, in 250 gram, you can convert it to 250 ml here. That much amount, 38.461 millimoles per 250 ml. And when it is in 250 ml, we can convert into liter by first dividing with the 250 and multiplying with the 1000. So this will be the in millimoles per liter, and calculate it as equal to 38.461 times 1000 divided by 250. On calculation, get 153.846 millimoles per liter is approximately equal to 154 millimoles per liter, and that is the answer. If you feel this type of calculations easy and very interesting to follow, please do subscribe. I will be back with several such types of questions. Thank you for listening. Bye.